Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel and thank you all so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this cute look with Kinkistry clip-ins. Kinkistry is a black owned brand and they create bundles and clip-ins and things of that nature with 100% human hair. So I'm super excited to be getting into this video with you all today. I did use 2 packs of hair, a mix of the 18 and 20 inch Curlsfothegirls pattern. I feel like it blended pretty well with my hair. It's super soft, super spongy. It is a really dark brown color, which is perfect for me. Although the top portion of my hair is a little bit lighter, I still feel like it works all together. If you are interested in seeing how I installed my clip-ins and created this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to do is, I'm going to start misting my hair with water. And I find that misting my hair with water really helps me make the installation process a little easier, because both of my hair and the clip-ins themselves will actually be a little damp. It'll be a little easier to apply product to get a uniform curl pattern all over. Next, I'm going to take my Mizani 25 Miracle Milk and I'm just going to apply this to my hair as well. And this is a great detangler but also leave-in conditioner as well. It has 25 benefits and those are 2 of the main ones. So I'm just going to detangle my hair a little bit and then I'm going to take my first clip-in itself and then I'm going to mist it with a little bit of water as well. Just make sure it's thoroughly detangled and then I'm going to begin installing. As I previously mentioned, I am using a combination of the 18 and 20 inch Curlsfothegirls pattern, and what I'm doing first is I'm installing the 18 inch clip-ins closest to the back of my head. I find that doing this really helps me create the look that I like per se. I really don't like applying the super long ones in the back because I feel like it really creates unnecessary and weird looking layers. So I like to go ahead and apply the shorter clip-ins in the back, and then as I work my way up, I'll begin installing the 20 inch clip-ins. So I'm just going to repeat the same process over and over. I'm going to part my hair. I don't really worry about the sections being super even. If they're not, it's perfectly fine. But I'm going to part my hair, I'm going to mist it with water, and I'm going to use my 25 Miracle Milk to detangle but also add some leave-in conditioner to my hair as well. And for some sections I am going to take a little bit of gel or curling custard just to really help me set my pattern into place. Will lock my curls into place, I will say, and just really help to make the hairstyle blend a lot more flawlessly. Alright, so I'm just repeating the same steps. I have already parted my hair. I misted the clip-in with a little bit of water and now I'm installing it here. This is also an 18 inch clip-in, and like I said, I like to use the 18 inches or shorter clip-ins in the back, and as I work my way up, I'll begin to use the longer clip-ins. So you gotta do a little flip here and just make sure that it's looking right, make sure that it's falling how you want it to fall, and I'm just going to continue to repeat the same steps until we get to the front of my head. Alright guys, so we are moving up in length. I am now using one of the 20 inch clip-ins. This one does have 4 clips on it, and that really makes it easier to install. Well, maybe it's just me, but at the widest part of your head, which I find to be the middle. So I'm going to use the 4 clip-in. You will notice that this one does have a hump in it, and that is because I did lay them out on a hanger to dry after I initially washed and detangled them. So to get rid of that hump in the middle, I'm just going to mist it with a little bit of water and some Miracle Milk and just lightly detangle it, and it'll begin to fall appropriately. So we are going to fast forward just a little bit. I've installed the remainder of those clips and I've just left the top portion of my head available. So now I'm going to take the furthest back piece, and what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to separate that from the hair, and I'm going to install one 20 inch clip-in that has 1 clip on it, just so that that section is really full and it really blends well with the remainder of the hair. So I'm just going to lightly detangle, apply a little bit of Miracle Milk, and then I will install that one clip-in. Alright, so I've sped up a little bit further and I've changed my clothes, I've added my earrings and my lip, and now we're just going to finish up the look with a ninja bun. And I feel like this look looks so cute together with the hair really big and full and fluffy in the back. So I'm just going to take a soft bristle brush and lightly brush up the front. I'm not going to use any edge control or anything like that to really lay it down. I'm going to take a ponytail holder to secure it. And then I'm going to take about, I think I used like 2 or 3 hairpins just to really secure the bun into place and to hold it. And from there, I'm pretty much done. So I'm just going to fluff the remainder of the hair and, well, until I achieve my desired fullness and look. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. I really hope that you all enjoyed it, and I really appreciate the love I got on the initial post, so I really can't wait to hear your feedback on the actual tutorial itself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.